June, the London headquarters of the British Heart Foundation. Mary Dunn and Joanna Smith are the fundraising organisers for the foundation. Nearly half their income is brought in by donations and fundraising, and much of that is through the annual London to Brighton cycle ride. It's one of the largest sponsored events in the country, and the money raised will be spent on researching the hereditary effects of heart disease. June the 15th, an early morning start near Clapham Common. Cyclists from all over Britain checked in, and marshals said the number of people taking part was higher than ever. When the event began 11 years ago, just 60 riders took part, and now the figure is over 25,000. As the riders are set off at half-hourly intervals, they begin their 56-mile cycle. At the Sussex village of Ditchling, special arrangements have been made to divert the motor traffic off the bike ride route. Their first reception in Brighton signals just half a mile to the finish. The flow of successful finishers continues throughout the day. And as the final money comes in, the British Heart Foundation has met its £500,000 target.